बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 4C। इट्स रियल स्टोरी सम्स। These are the word problems. It's question number 1 that we are going to solve. In our department store, the following items are reduced for sale. These are the thermos, plastic bucket, and it is toothpaste, and last one is the camera. We will check out their price after discount. We are going to find out the price of thermos when it is 10% off. So price of thermos, it will be uh, original price, that is 80 minus 10% of 80. Now 80 minus, it will be 80 into 10 over 100. This one will be 80 minus, these two zeros cancel with this one, and it will be minus 8. 72 is the final answer of this one. Next, same like that, price of bucket. It will be original price, that is the 65 minus 20% is of total price, that is the 65. 65 minus, it will be 65 into 20 over 100 here. We will simplify this one. This will be 21 are 20, 25 times are the 100. This will be 5 1 are 5, 5 13 times are the 65. 65 minus 13, it will be 52. Final answer of this one in rupees. Next, we are going to find out the price of the toothpaste. It is the original price, that is the 12.5 minus, it will be the 5% of 12.5. This is the 12.5 minus, it will be 12.5, 0 multiplied by 5%, it means 5 over 100. 12.5% means it is 5% off. It will be, after calculation, minus 0.625. We will subtract, and it is 11.875 rupees after discount. Next, we are going to find out the price of camera. Original price is the 800 minus, minus will be 15% of 800. 800 minus 800 into 15 over 100. These two zeros will be cancelled with this one, and 800 minus this will be 120, and after subtraction 800 minus 120 will be 0 and 8, and here will be 6. The final answer, the price of camera after 15% discount, it is the 680 rupees. It is a question number 2. Mrs. Shah earns 8,500 every month working as a computer operator. If her boss gives her a 10% increase in salary, then how much she will earn every month, and how much will she earn in 1 year? Basic salary of Mrs. Mrs. Shah, that is the 8,500. Increase in salary, that is 10%. New salary, it is 8,500 plus 8,500 into 10%, that is the increment. Will be 8,500 plus, these will be simplified like this one, 85 into 10, this is going to be the 8,500 plus 850, 8,500 plus 850, we will add, it will be 13, 1 carries, it will be, new salary will be 9,350 rupees per month. New salary per month, that is this one. New salary in 1 year, 9,350 multiplied by 12, where there are the 12 months in a year, and after multiplication the 9,350 with the 12 months, it will be 1,12,200 rupees. Now it is the question number 3. Mr. Mansoor earns sum of 35,000 per month. He spends 75% of his salary. How much he saves? Here is his monthly salary. It is 35,000 rupees. His expenses, these are 75% of 35,000. We will have the 35,000 multiplied by 75 over 100. These two zeros will be cancelled with this one. 350 into 75. After multiplication, it is the 26,250 rupees is monthly expenses. Now his savings, it will be 35,000. That is the total salary minus his monthly expenses. It is 26,250. We will subtract his expenditure, that is the 26,500 250 will be 0 5 and there will be 7 and will carry from this one, it is the 8. It is the 8,750 is monthly saving. This is the final answer. It is a question number 2. Rewrite these stories, changes fractions into percentages. It's a part on 4th January. 24 out of 48 cows on the Slim's farm are ill. On Hassan's farm, 36 out of 120 have the similar illness. We are going to find out percentage of the Salim's farm. Total are 48 and out of these 24 are ill. We will write 24 over 48 and to convert into percentage we will multiply this one with 100. This will be cancelled, this one it will be 2 5 are the 50. So 50% are the ill. Now I am going on the Hassan's farm. In this case, there are the total 36 are ill and total are the 120 and these will be multiplied by 100%. If I cancel 10 with this will be the 12 1 the 12 3 times that is 30. There will be the 30% of the cows that are the ill at the Hassan's farm. Now we are going to solve its B part. On the 27 March 240 out of the 500 seats were occupied in the cricket stadium. On the second day, 324 out of 600 seats were occupied. Next, we are going to find out on 27 March, we will find the percentage. Total are 500 and among 240 are occupied. And we will multiply these one with 100%. These two zeros will cancel this one and 240 over 5 is here. And now I will simplify this one. It will be 5 under 5 and 5 fours are here 20 and there will be 40. 40 8 times are the 5 8 times are the 40. It will be the 48% seats that are occupied. 48% seats occupied. And next on it is the on the second day total 600. Among them, 324 are occupied. We will multiply by 100% to convert into percentage. This will be cancelled with 2 zeros with zeros. 324 will be 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 5 are 30. And 6 fours are 24. There will be the 54% seat occupied on the second day. It is a question number 5. In her end of term examination, Salima got 33 out of the 50 marks in Urdu and 7 out of 10 marks in history. What were her marks in percentages? Which subject did she do better in? And first, we will find out the percentage of Urdu. In Urdu, total marks are 50, and she has got 33, and we will multiply this one with the 100. This will be cancelled by this one. It will be the 2%. It is the 33 into 2. It will be the 66%. Now about history. History, there is the 7 and total are the 10. It will be multiplied by the 100. It is the 70%. These are the percentages. By these two percentages, we conclude she got better results in history. As it is the 70%. It is a question number 6. During the quiz, Shaheen answers 60 questions and gets 36 answers right. And Sarah answered 80 questions and 56 correct. Give their score in percentages and find out who is the better at quiz. First of all, we will find the percentage of Shaheen. Total questions. These are 60 and answered right. These are the 36 and percentage. It will be 36 divided by 60. These are total and it will be multiplied by 100%. Now for simplification, this will be cancelled and it will be 36 over 6 into 1 into 10, and 6 ones are 6 and 6 times are the 36. It will be 60% Shaheen percentage. Now we are going to find out the Sarah's percentage. Sarah are the total questions. Total questions, these are the 80 and answered right. These are the 56, and her percentage will be it is 56 over 80 into 100%. This 0 will be cancelled, this one, and here is the 56 over 8 into 10 is a percent. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are the 56, will be 70%. Result, it shows Sarah is winner as her performance is better.